Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the next unit 6, physical activities and leadership training. What are the physical activities? You must be aware about it. Running, jogging, cycling, dancing, aerobic, taking part in games and sports. These all are the physical activities. If we will do the physical activities, we will increase our health standard. Our internal as well as external organ will get exercised. The capacity of functioning of that organs will be increased. When these capacity will be increased, your health standard will get improved. When your health standard will improve, you can do the work for the longer time without any fatigue and with happiness. If you are having the good health standard, you can earn more, you can lead the happy life, you can reduce the illness. If we want to live the healthy life, we should take part in the games and sports or the yogic exercise or any kind of, you should maintain the regular routine of walking or exercise or yoga or taking part in games and sports. That is the key of the life, to be lead your life happily and for prolonged time. You can delay your aging factor also. If your body is performing well, if your health is good, you can live long life, you can avoid your aging factor for a long period, and you can make your body fit and you can get the good results without any fatigue. Next comes the leadership qualities and role of a leader. Who is a leader? The person who is leading us, the person to whom we follow, the person to whom we learn something from him, the person who guides us, the person who thinks for us, for our betterment. He is like a star to show us the path. That type of leader should be there, and we will follow him. What type of the qualities a leader should have? If a person is having good health, good posture, good communication skill, truthfulness, hard work, intelligence, understand, the person who understands, and having the technology, aware by the technology, making the people to bring under one flag, and always ready to help them out, and creative, who can bring the new ideas. This type of the person is the leader. He is going to show us the path. So what type of the qualities a leader should have? First is energetic. A leader should be the energetic. He should have the power. Whenever he comes in front of this, the energetic, he should seems energetic. Only then we will be able to understand him. If he is delaying, he is lazy, the impression will not go, good impression will not come on the people or the group. A person should be energetic. Friendliness, he should have the friendly behavior with his group. Affection, and that should be from by his heart, not to show. In life, few persons are leading the life and they are performing life as a role. He is having dual role. Sometimes his actions are like different type, and sometimes he is having the actions of different type. No, the person who is friendly, he should be friendly by his heart. He can help only then. Next, he should have the capacity to take the decision. Who can take the decision? Good decision. The person who is aware about all the situations, have the intelligence, have the awareness, has the technology, have the knowledge, have the courage, have the control, only then he can take the good decision. Technically skilled. Now the age is of technology. The person, if he is a leader, he should have the knowledge of technology and he should be aware by that. Technical skills he should have, how to handle the people, how to make the group to understand him, how he can understand the things of the group. Next is he should be the voice of the group. Knowing to the group the good and bad, whatever his group is having, he should understand it, and where it is required, he should guide the group, and where is the good voice that should be taken in front of the people. So that quality he should have. Interest in research. If a good person, a good leader always have the interest in doing something new, to take part in the researches that will help to make us aware about the new things. Good health. He should have the good health. He should be the motivator for us. If we will see the person who is energetic, good health, good speaking, good communication skill, energetic, and truthfulness, hard worker, having the friendly behavior, understanding our problem, definitely we are going to follow him. Next, dedication and determination. The person who is the leader, if he is not determined, he is not dedicated, then group will not follow him. He should have the dedication towards the things he is having in his mind to do for his group, for the country, for the world, and determine that things should be go accordingly. He should determine. He should never leave the things. Whenever hard time will come, he is going to leave. No, leader always remains having control on his impulse to handle all the situations. Morality and loyalty. A leader should have the good moral values and loyal to the people. This quality he must have. He should have. Good communicator. If a leader is not having the communication skill, he will not make the people aware about his ideas, his thoughts. He will lack in it. The communication skill should be there. He can convey the things properly that the people can understand it. Social. A leader should be a good social worker also. He should know the social values, social structure of the society, what should be where and how it should be done. Take all the things in his mind and then he should move. Next comes the role of leader. Leader is like a star who shows us the path. If leader is having the qualities which we have discussed, so we are going to be benefited after following him, because all the quality he is having, he will guiding us, structuring the situation. Any kind of the situation can come, but leader always have the faith on his group, because he is aware about the minus and positive of the groups and himself, and if he is aware about all the situations, then he can handle it properly. Controlling the group and behavior. The physical education leader always give the chance to person to improve his individual behavior. If you are not having the good behavior with your group, the group will not going to follow you. The behavior of a person reflect on his personality. In physical education, the leader controls the group, speaking for the group. The leader always speak the voice of the group. The things which the people want to convey to the others, that should be taken out by the leader. Planning for the group. A leader always have the plans for the group. Ki what good things for the betterment of the people he can do, ki that everybody can get the advantage of it. This type of planning he make. Good planning is also required, and good execution should be there. Execution of plan. The leader may execute various plans. He should take the people in his faith. If the people will understand the thing which you are going to implement, so you will getting the good help from them. If they are not awareing it by that things, or if they are not having the keen interest in that, so you will get the difficulties to execute the plans also. It should be real, not on the papers only. Plan should be according to the situation, according to the capacity, capabilities, sources and requirement, and the capacities of the person who is going to perform it. Leader is as a representative. Leader always a person who represent his group. The voice of group he bring in front of the people. The internal differences are settled by the leader. Suppose in group we are having so many peoples, and every person is having his own mind setups. We cannot change it, but we can, if we are having the intelligence, we are having the control, we are having the truthfulness, if we are good enough, having the good knowledge and aware about the things, we can make the peoples to understand you. Only a leader can do that, to make all the people that they can understand and react accordingly. Leader as an exemplar. A leader should always set the examples for others. First, he should be in the action, then the people will follow him. He should at the front. He should set the example for the others and ask the people now follow him. This type of the leaders are required in the world, who can set the examples. These examples cannot be set by easy manners. You should sacrifice. You should give the time for it. You should get the knowledge, awareness, hard working, intelligence, well equipped with technology, understanding the problems, having the ability to solve it, taking the more time for the social, understanding the people, doing the betterment for the society or the country. This type of the examples a person should set. Only then people will follow him. Thank you.